Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the posts of the people that you follow on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on the home icon down below, which is the first icon, and then you should tap on the following icon at the top of the screen. Now you are going to see the posts of all those people that you are following on this application. You are going to see their posts, their music that they made. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on it. You can add it to your favorites by tapping on the heart icon. You can leave a comment to that post by tapping on the comment icon, and so on. If you go to the top of the screen, you are going to see people to follow section, meaning that you are going to see a bunch of recommendations who are basically artists based on your preferences, so based on your preferred taste of music and the people that you are already following on this app. So if you scroll or swipe to the right side of the screen, you are going to see these people. If you are interested in any of them, tap on their profile picture, and then you are going to see their music that they make. So if you want to follow them, tap on the follow icon here. So now you are officially following that person. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.